Struggling? Let us help you build a business that closes clients with relationship marketing. Ever feel like you're starting from scratch, with no contacts and no momentum? The truth is, you don't need a massive audience to build a thriving business. You need a system. In this video, we'll walk you through 5 key steps to help you grow a permission-based audience and turn it into consistent sales using relationship marketing and the right software tools. Step 1. Add your sphere of influence to the software. The first step is to organize the relationships you already have. That includes friends, family, past clients, business peers, and people in your local community. We teach you how to enter those contacts into your software account and sort them into 4 simple categories. Contacts, people you know personally or professionally. Lists, groups you're a part of, like a church, sports team, or local club. Leads, people who might buy but haven't yet engaged. Networking, new contacts from events, social media, or referrals. Once added, each contact is placed in either a not opted in or opted in pipeline. From there, you start reaching out with a simple ask. Would you like to get our monthly newsletter with helpful updates and tips? This is how we build a permission-based audience that's more likely to respond and convert. Step 2. Identify your ideal client profile. Next, we define your ideal client profile, the type of person most likely to buy your easiest to sell and most valuable product or service. We focus on 3 areas. Persona, who they are. Psychographics, what problems you solve for them. Demographics, age, income, location, industry, lifestyle, and more. Once your ideal client profile is defined, we look back at your current contacts and identify who fits that profile. These are the people to connect with first using relationship marketing. And if you don't have any matches yet, that's a sign it's time to grow your network through outreach, referrals, and smart lead generation strategies targeting your ideal client profile. Step 3. Segment your ideal client profiles in the software. With your ideal client profile defined, the next step is segmentation. That means sorting your contacts in the software based on the type of client they are. To do this, pick up the phone, have real conversations, and ask the right questions. What are they looking for? What problems do they need solved? Then, tag and group each contact based on their ideal client profile. This ensures every message you send is tailored to the right person. Action steps. Call your contacts. Match them to the right ideal client profile based on interests and needs. Add them to the correct pipeline. Do it fast, ideally within 48 hours of uploading your list. Send tailored follow-ups that show you understand their world. Step 4. Build your opted-in, permission-based audience. Now that your ideal client profiles are organized and segmented, the goal is to nurture those relationships. That starts with permission-based follow-up. Only message people who've opted in. It builds trust and keeps your messages welcome, not spammy. We use simple tools in the software to make this happen. Newsletter site, let people subscribe to updates. Weekly emails, valuable insights tailored to each group. Ongoing SMS texts, personal, relevant, and actionable. With automation, your message stays consistent and timely, so you stay top of mind. Step 5. Deliver follow-up that converts. Finally, to boost conversions, you need consistent, valuable follow-up. Inside your software account, you'll get access to tools like newsletters, posts, emails, text messages, and direct messages, DMs. These tools help you stay connected to your audience without starting from scratch every time. If your business isn't converting, it's usually not because people don't want what you offer. It's because your message, your market, and your method aren't aligned. That's where we help. We give you the system and the support to organize your contacts, communicate clearly, and follow up in a way that drives results. Ready to get started? Visit humanbrainbox.com and click Get Free Software Account. A marketing success manager will personally reach out to help you launch your Quickly Get Client system. If Einstein surfed the web, he'd definitely smash that like, subscribe, and share button.